you're either negative or you're positive. That's it. But negative is the opposite of positive. From 2, you can only go in one of 2 directions. Negative, down the number line, or positive, up the number line. Stay tuned to understand once and for all how to add and subtract with negatives. Stick with me, it's easy. 2 minus 1, go to the left, negative. 2 plus 1, go to the right, positive. Now for the other easy part that sometimes seems hard. These are related. Adding a negative is the same thing as going negative. So 2 plus negative 1 still goes to the left. That equals 1. Now stick with me. This is where it gets maybe confusing, but also makes complete sense. So if I have 2, and I subtract a negative 1, that also equals 3. But why? Back to negative being the opposite of positive. So negative means opposite. So adding the opposite goes left. But when you have the opposite of the opposite, or negative, negative, which is a double opposite, you go to the right. It's like saying, go to the store, or don't not go to the store. It means the same thing. It's a double negative. So it becomes a positive. It goes to the right. There is one more point I need to make. The starting value, negative 2, that affects the answer, of course, but it doesn't affect which way you move down the number line. Subtracting is still to the left. It's the opposite of adding, which is going to the right. 1 space, 1 space. Once again here, adding a negative is still the same thing, starting at negative 2 and going to the left 1 space, but subtracting a negative, that's the opposite of going the opposite way. So it's back to the positive way. Negative 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 1. Going to the right, the opposite of the opposite. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the comments. Please like and follow for more. Thanks.